Hey guys, Leonyx here. I hired some paparazzi and some bodyguards to follow me around in the land of Narcos, Colombia. When I was younger, watching YouTube videos, I was always inspired by social experiment or prank videos. Not the ones where people got hurt, but the ones that attracted attention or intrigued other people. These videos were typically in America, but I wanted to try it somewhere else. I invited a couple friends to do my makeup to make me look like a celebrity. I wanted to look the part. I didn't care if I looked like a K-pop star or anything like that. But once I entered the mall, I heard some people actually even say that I was Jackie Chan's son. So it was very funny that people were kind of just implementing their own idea of who that celebrity was when I was walking around.
Ready?
I'm so ready. I am a little nervous to see how this goes. We'll figure it out, all right?
I had 3 mean-looking fake bodyguards. They were just bodybuilders from the local gym. Even I was scared of them. It was literally the first step in the mall. People were already staring at me and the paparazzi. People were recording me, asking for selfies, following us. They even went past my bodyguards, grabbed my arm, asked for a picture, even though they didn't know who I was. We couldn't even sit to rest or eat for like 2 minutes because we would just be surrounded. There were a bunch of cameras everywhere. Even some people were taking pictures and videos of me and posting them on Instagram and found my Instagram and tagged me in them, knowing that I was not even a celebrity. A real one, that is. It was really funny because I am not fluent in Spanish, so people that walked up to me and asked me questions, I couldn't even answer them, so I just tried to speak in English or say basic phrases in Korean.
¿Podemos tomarnos unas fotos todas? Can we take a photo group, please?
Let's take a photo group. Los que cantan coreano.
Even if they did ask me in English who I was, maybe I can just get away with saying I was Jackie Chan's son. Oh my god. When I finally arrived outside, some people were stopping their vehicles in the middle of the road to stop and look at me. It was absolutely crazy. And from the bridge, you can see people stopping the foot traffic and they were just taking pictures on their phone. There was even a traffic guard or police guy trying to clear the crowd, but it wasn't working, so I think he just gave up. Honestly, poor guy. There were some girls that even asked me to sign their body. Was bizarre to me. I now know how overwhelming it must be to be a celebrity and getting swarmed by everyone everywhere you go. You know what? Respect to all the celebrities out there that has to go through this whenever they go out just to buy groceries or something.
Get out of the way! I can't see! There are cars there, motherfuckers! Get out of the way!
It was very exhausting. I was overwhelmed. It was a lot of fun. It was exciting because this entire experience was absolutely crazy. So that sums up the video today. We walked around the land of Narcos with a handful of paparazzi and bodyguards. Thank you to the crew for helping me make this video happen. Couldn't have done it without you guys. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about the video and what you want to see in the future. Also, link in the description for our Patreon if you want to support the channel. Other than that, until next time, guys.